for more. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove a background in Canva. 1. Start by uploading the image you want to edit to Canva. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file into the Canva editor or by choosing an image from Canva's extensive image library. 2. Once your image is in place, locate the Edit Image button on the top of the toolbar of Canva Editor. 3. On the left-hand side panel, you'll see various editing tools. Look for the Background Remover tool and select it. This is your key to removing the background from your image. 4. With the Background Remover tool, click on Erase. Canva's smart technology will then work its magic, and you will see the background of your image vanish, leaving only the main subject of your photo. If you're happy with how the image looks without its background, hit Apply to save the changes. If you think it needs a bit more tweaking, you can use the Restore button to revert any changes and try again. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.